how you can make your first $300 to $500 profit per day with TikTok affiliate marketing using ClickBank in 2025. So in this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can utilize and monetize your TikTok traffic, your TikTok audience without showing your face. So basically faceless TikTok channel. Now as you can see over here, let me show over here. In the last 7 days, this is the one week you can see, right? Last 7 days, I'll click again. So you can see last 7 days, I had 313,000 video views. Now imagine, let's say you're promoting now in this kind of months like January, ClickBank astrology or the manifestation product, law of attraction, right? You can be making really great money. Why? Because most of the people are really interested in personal development, personal self-help, especially in month of January, right? So you can see, imagine you have an offer, it's paying $100 US, $200 per sale with upsells, of course, or downsells. It means that you can be making a lot of money. Now, you don't need to have 300,000 views in a week to make a lot of money, right? You can have only 1,000 views in a week, 100 views in a week or a day, right? It all depends on buyer's intent, okay? As I told you, we have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. So on TikTok, buying behavior is totally different, all right? And look, you can always go back to what you used to be doing before, I don't know, working 9 to 5 or anything, but if you give yourself an opportunity in 2025 to get the results, right? What if you succeed and get really good results? You can make really good money. So as you can see over here, in 2025, it's all about the engagement, content. It's about the engagement first and then sales, conversions. Imagine you have 3,000 positive comments, right? 3,000 comments in 1 week. And then you run the same ad for $5 to $15. I'm talking 5 to 10 to 15 US dollars only. And have 3 to 5 sales. Right? Why it's happening? Because you already had almost organic. You see, the algorithm is different. If you have positive engagement, look, 500 shares in 1 week, it means people love your ad, love your content, they're sharing it with others, and then you have your affiliate link from ClickBank, right? And there when they click, you get a sale. Do you understand now, right? So all this is possible. Now I'm going to give you the details. Now here you can reach out to me later. As you can see over here, you can reach out on my Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp. Yes, I'm even giving you my personal WhatsApp number. If you really want to get this kind of results in 2025, okay, with affiliate marketing. Now, let me go straight into it so you can see how this all works. As you can see, even Gary Vaynerchuk, right, mentioned that the opportunity of 2025 is live social shopping. So as you can see, the TikTok growth, the e-commerce is growing really, really high in 2024 and 2025. Okay, you can see $8 million in like 2 seconds of sales. And this was in China. Now imagine what you can do if you just take an opportunity of this Wild West era, because right now it's like a Wild West cowboy era for TikTok. You can basically almost say anything and not get shut down, right? So this is a good opportunity for you because compliance is changing. Okay, so it would be really stupid to wait, because I know you're smart because you're still watching this video, and it would be really, really smart and great to take action now and take the opportunity of TikTok traffic for affiliate marketing, right? You can see everyone is glued to their phones. And the most important thing is buying behavior. Once you have, look, let me show you. Let me give you an example. How much money, how fast you can make the money with ClickBank affiliate marketing using TikTok as a traffic source is here. If you're, let's say in the worst case scenario, you're making 1 sale a day for $150. So your daily income would be 150 US dollars, and weekly income would be 1,000 US dollars, monthly income 4,500 US dollars with only 1 sales. Now why I say that worst case scenario is 1 to 3 sales per day? Why? Because TikTok itself has 1 billion users, more than 1.5 billion users across the world, worldwide. Okay, so there's almost no competition right now because it's at the early stages, same like YouTube or Facebook in 2014, 2016, right? Because Facebook Pixel helped lots of ClickBank affiliates make a lot of money in 2016. Now you can see over here, right? shopping, the direct response marketing, affiliate marketing is changing in 2025. So you can take opportunity of that, right? As you can see, 92% of TikTok users said that they discovered new products on the app itself. What does it tell you? It tells you, as I said before, if you remember, right? I said there are buyers. Buyers' intent is there. People are used to buying on TikTok. So they don't go to Instagram or Facebook to buy. Okay, it's messaging app. But on TikTok, people are used to it. So native advertising is totally different. UGC videos, if you know what you're doing, with 30-second to 1 minute video, you can make 3 to 5 sales every single day. Now again, you don't have to do it yourself. If you're wondering how much time you have to spend, 20 to maximum 30 minutes per day. Because once you have someone who can help you one-on-one over the Zoom call, give you done for you videos, the things that actually it's proven to work and convert, then of course you can get really good sustainable results. Okay? I'm not talking that you have to be stressed and wake up worrying if your ad account is going to get shut down. No, you can begin with at least $5 to $15 per day ad spend, and you can start having results immediately. Why? Because the TikTok algorithm will show organically, I mean for free traffic, to other users in that country your ads for free once the algorithm shows that you have positive engagement. Okay? So as you watch this video right now, if you want to get results, right, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. All the links to my Instagram, as I showed you before, are in the description below. You can reach out to me on my Instagram. WhatsApp number is also there, Facebook Messenger and email. Everything is in the description below, okay? So do let me know if you have any questions or how to make money online in 2025 and really make sustainable income. Then let me know after watching this video, okay? And let's make something happen together.